Benchmark Scientific presents Magic Clamp, our patented magnetic attachment system for securing flasks and other common laboratory vessels to a laboratory shaker.
Gone are the days of searching for the toolbox when changing the flask clamps on your old-fashioned pre-drilled shaking platform. The tedious process of lining up a series of holes, locating the correct screw size, and tightening 4 screws per clamp is a thing of the past. With the new Magic Clamp platform from Benchmark, clamp exchange is simple, instantaneous, and toolless. Just remove and attach clamps by hand utilizing the patent-pending magnetic system.
In addition to our traditional clamps that are dedicated to a specific size of Erlenmeyer flask, Benchmark also offers the only adjustable clamp, capable of securing 125 ml, 250 ml, and 500 ml Erlenmeyer flasks.
Regardless of sample size, there is never a concern of disconnect or breakage. Even at the maximum shaking speed of 300 RPM, vessels remain securely attached to the platform. In addition to convenience, the Magic Clamp system also adds versatility. While many traditional platforms are only designed to hold flasks, the Magic Clamp platform holds a variety of racks for tubes, bottles, and plates. The Magic Clamp system from Benchmark greatly reduces the amount of preparation time associated with orbital shaking and offers flexibility over a wide range of applications.